Welcome back, folks. JD here again. So I just thought I'd do a very quick video just to have a look at any potential savings that I may have seen over the last few days since I've installed this EcoFlow Ultra X. So obviously we're not in a full month. We're the start of August now, so I'm going to track August properly. But I installed the Ultra X on the 23rd of July with one panel, and then I increased it to two panels I think the day after. I'm waiting for my proper mounts, and when I get those, the Volticon mounts, I'll get 4 panels going. But I just thought I'd look back through my Octopus account over the last few days to just see if I've saved anything. So very quickly then, so what I've got here, look, this is the 31st of July. This is the last day available to me on my account from the 3rd of August. And it's really quite interesting. So we've got an EV. We've got 2 EVs. My wife tends to charge most days. She doesn't do many miles, so we'll probably charge on average, I don't know, 10 to 15 kilowatt hours when she plugs in the charge. And then normally base load, we were pulling, I don't know, it's difficult to say, isn't it, this time of year, but I would certainly say 6 to 7 kilowatt hours a day. And look what's happened here. This is very interesting. This is the 31st of July. Total consumption, 18.44 kilowatt hours overnight. So that's at the 6.9 pence per unit rate, costing £1.27. Look at the daytime rate. 2.44 units at peak, which is about 28.56p for me. So that's about 70 pence. Total cost for the day, £2.50, including standing charge. Now my standing charge is about 53 pence a day, I think. That's incredible. Normally I would say, yes, I know it's the summer, but we don't heat with electricity. We never use the immersion. We are going to get a heat pump soon, so that'll be even more interesting. But we cook with electric. We've got a big induction hob, and we've used £2.50. Normally I'd say we'd be using about £100, £110 a month, so probably £3.30, £3.50 a day. That's really good. Look at this, look at the unit, look at the usage. So obviously this is when the car's charging, and I probably charge the Ultra X battery as well off peak. But look at this throughout the day. And if we scroll down to the on peak time from, say, 5:30 onwards, in a half an hour lot we're using 100 watts, 150 watts. But look when the solar starts to come out around 9 AM. Look at this. What's that? 23 watts in half an hour. 26 half an hour. So we're using about 50 watts an hour on peak. Look at this. When the solar's really, sorry, I'm getting a bit excited. When the solar's really coming out, lot, 12:30 onwards, 6 watts in half an hour. 8 watts, 8 watts, 8 watts, 4 watts, 7 watts. Wow. That's incredible, isn't it? A bit of an ad hoc video. Just thought I'd check in and show you that, because I'm quite blown away. And that's bearing in mind with just 2 batteries. Sorry, 1 battery and 2 panels. Any day now when I get the Volticon mounts, I'm going to do a video on installing the proper system on the roof. 4 panels, proper self-ballasting Volticon mounts, which I think are going to work brilliantly for my EPDM rubber roof up here. Don't need to penetrate it at all. So until next time, keep those subscriptions coming, keep those thumbs up coming. Thanks for watching.